This Suna VDM is now behaving like Agbero. He's behaving like Agbero. How can you, why is he fighting inside airplane? Why is he fighting? Can't he wait on the plane land? Now, funny bone or they blame. Funny bone, I blame you for not slapping VDM. You're supposed to give VDM a hot, dirty slap for him to regain his conscience, for him to regain his brain back. Fighting inside there. If something happens now, you waste a lot of lives there. So many people will die because of VDM. That guy needs to be sensitized. Now, let's watch the video. Please, I go by the name Apollos James. If you like my video, hit the follow button. God bless you. See you next time. But VDM, what you did is not good. Don't fight people inside the airplane.
Dog back on down for flag. Go slap you on down. One life.
Is it media? We're gonna follow. Give him one. Give him one. Give him.
Please don't see.
I don't understand you. You can't